Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 15 of my Questrade series. And actually, unfortunately, this is going to be the last episode in this series. And no, unfortunately, we did not make it to $100,000, but small caveat, I'm actually going to be selling my VFV shares in both my non-registered accounts in Questrade as well as Wealthsimple. And the reason being is I'm actually purchasing a home in a couple months, and a lot of my down payment is locked up in investments. So it's something that I will need to do. The reason I'm doing it now and not in 2 months' time is there is so much volatility in the markets right now. Again, with Trump being in office, the tariffs, just a lot of different things going on politically. So I think what I'm gonna do, and it was a tough decision to make, but I'm gonna lock in my profits now instead of finishing this series, and we're gonna be starting a new series starting next week. So I apologize to everyone that the series was cut short, but again, I gotta look after my finances and what I'm doing, and I just wanna be transparent with you guys and tell you guys what I'm doing. So don't go out and sell your shares of VFV. If anything, keep loading up on shares. I would be doing the same if it wasn't for this down payment that I need. But I just want to give you guys an idea as to where my mind's going. Let me know what you guys think in the comments too. Am I making a mistake? Am I selling too early? Should I have waited? I guess we won't know. No one can predict the markets, but I'll give you guys an indication as to how to sell stocks in both Questrade and Wealthsimple, because we're going to be doing both today. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns about anything I'm doing, go ask me in the comments or send me a DM. Excuse I'm a little bit congested today, so excuse me for that, but I just wanted to make this video and get this video done. As the date of filming, it is February 7th. It's a Friday, actually very close to market end, so I just want to get this finished up before the weekend, because who knows what's going to happen with the weekend. Again, I want to give a quick shout out to Brandon Beavis. I'm sure many of you know him. I was talking with him recently, and he was like, man, you know what? Just take your profits. There's no point in risking another couple months in the stock market, because yes, it could go up another 5% or so, but there's also the possibility of the S&P crashing down 20%. Who knows? No one can predict the markets. This is just what I'm doing, completely transparent, and just letting you guys know what I'm doing. So total we made in this account is $82,114. That was since September 19th of 2024. So this account's been open for about 5-6 months. So pretty good gains in 5-6 months. Again, on the total account, we are up $3,257, so that's about 4%. So account's been open since September, 4% on $82,000. I will take those profits any day of the week, so I can't complain about that. And I just want to get out while the going is still good. Who knows? Again, like I said before, it could go up, could go down. We can't predict the market, so I'm going to take my gains now, and just to be safe, so I have my down payment without it crashing. Not that that's gonna happen, but you never know. So I'm gonna blur the screen here, and we're gonna make a sell for maybe the first time. No, maybe not. I did rebalance my portfolio. Excuse me, I rebalanced my portfolio. But apart from that, I don't think I've made any sells in this account. It's been buy, which is a good thing. So I'm going to go just, and this might be a mistake too, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go market order just to make sure it goes through. I wonder actually what the fees associated, because I know Questrade does charge fees for selling ETFs but not buying ETFs. So it says estimated total $81,769, and its share price right now is total account 82,000. So they do take quite a bit. It's probably like $400 or so just in commission fees. So just so you guys are aware, I don't know what the percentage is exactly, but again, not the end of the world to me. I could do limit sell and try to get a specific price, but you know what? I'm just gonna go with the market buy, or sell rather, and send order. We're gonna send that order through. It says the commission fees are only $722. So I'll have to check back in and see what the final price is. And it says we're selling at $152.86. So I'm gonna put that order through, and we'll see. You know what? I'm gonna pause the video and we'll check back in once I get this sorted out. Hey guys, so it looks like it all went through. Now I have $82,110 cash. I believe it wasn't too much more to begin with. You can see my total P&L. So total P&L being 3.94% or $3,200 in this account. So we're gonna jump over to the Wealthsimple account, and I'm going to be selling my stocks in the non-registered account, which is also with VFV as well. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, so this is the Wealthsimple non-registered account. Again, I'm gonna be using some of these funds for the down payment into the house as well. As you can see, this was a series, my previous series that I did. I think I started it in October of 2023, end of September, and it lasted up until, again, about a year or so. So we deposited, I guess, $42,000 or so, and the account grew up to $52,516, up $10,745, 25.72% all time. So amazing gains into this portfolio that was just buying VFV. So we're gonna sell these shares of VFV as well. We're gonna sell max shares, and that's gonna equate to about 52,200. It says may take 3 hours to fill, so that's interesting. I wonder if it'll go through before the end of the day. There is also fractional shares being sold too, so hopefully that all goes through, and that might still be pending. But just to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing with this cash, I'm just putting it into a safer investment. So with this, I'm gonna be putting it into my Wealthsimple cash account. So just collecting a guaranteed, I believe it's around 3% if I'm not mistaken. And then with the other cash, I'm gonna put it in a high yield savings account for about 2 months or so. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Again, sorry I had to quit the series a little bit early. We definitely would have hit the 100,000 in a year. I think we were on pace to do it in a month or so, which is 6 months, which is pretty crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys understand my transparency and everything. But hope you guys are doing well too. Keep loading up on VFV. Stay tuned for the follow-up series, which I'm gonna start next week. So stay tuned for that. Again, someone guessed it a couple weeks ago in the comments, so if you want to go check out my previous video, someone did guess it. And links to Wealthsimple, Questrade, as well as Blossom in the description. Didn't go over the dividends of the total portfolio this week, but we'll save that for next week. And hope you guys are doing great too. And last but not least, happy investing.